The question for tonight, I mean, this second question, what would be the worst name for a plumbing business or a plumber business? Nature calls plumbing. We back your sinks up. Leaks are us. Backed up plumbing. Plum tired. Plunger games. Plunger games. Hairy and scary. The uncloggables. Loose elastic underwear plumber. Okay, Lysol wipes plumbers.
Leaky John.
Snake meat the pipe. Farrah faucet.
That's good. That's winner. That's the winner.
Cynthia, oh my lord.
That's the best one.
That's good.
That's so good.
Oh my lord, that's oh lord. Oh, that's good. That is good. That is good, guys. You guys are on tonight. The pipe blockers, okay, overflow. Wait, I gotta read them all. This is funny. Okay, hairball plumbing. The DIY plumber. We overflow your toilets, plumbers. The pipe blockers. Okay, bend over backwards. Oh my. Oh man, this is good. Okay, let's see. What do you got? Leftover removers. Water world plumbers. That's good. I can't read. I'm sorry. Okay, this is good. We're number 1 in the number 2 business. I'm sorry, I get. Okay, we charge a lot, plumbers. This is good.
Hide the Kleenex.
I hide the Kleenex. I can't. I'm crying. Oh, with and wild. I can't. Someone has to read this.
The tap outers. Ring it out plumbing. Deep diggers plumbing. It all backs up plumbers. Sink oopsie poopsie plumbers. Take 2 plumbers. We're plumb crazy. My kids' tuition plumbers.
Oh man. I'm crying, people. I'm a comedian. I don't normally laugh.